How y'all doing? My name's Tammy, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm doing a mukbang, y'all. And I got fever blisters above my lips. I don't remember if fever blisters or you get blisters before you fall asleep, or if you get them while you're sleeping. But anyways, I am doing a collaboration with Alicia, y'all. And she's doing her video right now, so excuse me, I am too. These are just my dessert, dried cranberries. She's got cucumber slices and like smoked sausages and rice. She said I can't eat that stuff, but I can't eat the rice, at least not a lot of it. I can have like a half a cup. And the smoked sausages, I think I can have them. We've been eating them because it's protein, but yeah. But today I have turkey with sweet jalapeno relish, and then it's like broccoli and cauliflower. I do have napkins, paper towels actually, and my dinner is like 470 calories. I'm ripping the sleeves on. Should have done that afterwards. Anyways, so y'all don't call me a liar. 470. And then I have this to drink. I put Splenda in it. Yes, I know Splenda's not good for me. Black cherry berry. Anyways, it's tea. Herbal tea. I put Splenda in it. And before I forget, we are going to answer five Halloween related questions. My birthday's balloon back here. My shout out for today is the broke college student. She does dumpster diving hauls and author hauls and other kind of hauls. So if you're interested in people dumpster diving and things like that, please look up. I'll link her in the description. I'll also link it's Alicia in the description also. I come to Alicia and I was like, girl, we should do a collab. I don't mind doing collaborations with other people. This is my broccoli. You want a bite? I just got some non-salt. I think that's how you say it, non. There's no sodium in it. And then I got some pepper on it. I can't live without pepper. I like broccoli. I like cauliflower. I like it raw though, dipped in ranch. Okay, the 5 questions. They're gonna be mine are gonna be Halloween / fall time related. I wrote them down. Actually, do some work. Favorite Halloween movies. Honestly, it's anything horror related. You know, like Freddy, Jason, Chucky, the classics. And then I've got to watch Hocus Pocus. I think I've watched Hocus Pocus every year since they come out. On TV anyways. And what's the other one? What am I thinking of? Shoot. Oh, I wanted to see part 2. I can't wait to see part 2 of Hocus Pocus. This turkey has like, I think it's barley and rice. It's actually not too bad. See, Miss Dia, I'm using my spoons. I love them. Honestly, I do. That was a semi truck just passed my house. Honestly, I didn't realize how busy this road was until I moved in here. But honestly, I've never been to Dixon until I moved in with Amy. Miss Alicia, y'all, she is buying one of my latch hook pillows from me. Well, she's already bought it, but I'm still making it. I'm trying to, today's Tuesday. I got most of it done. I'm going to put the back and stuff it tomorrow to make a pillow out of it. And then I've got, that's all I got to do. And then Thursday, I'm trying to get it out by Thursday, out of the house, you know, shipped off Thursday. She's like, take your time. I'm like, no, I want to get it, you know, not because she's rushing me or anything. I just like trying to do it fast. I have another one in the works or so, selling. I'm selling the pillows for $25 and the like just the wall art for like $15. And I think I can make blankets out of them. I haven't tried, but I think I can. Favorite Halloween candy. I want to also go candy and snack or treats, I should say, because every fall since I was itty bitty that I can remember, Amy and I would always get caramel apples. I mean, apples dipped in caramel or sugar, because they have some that are like candied apples. Candied. This is what the turkey looks like. It's good. And caramel corn. Not caramel corn. Candy corn. That's what I'm trying to say. Candy corn. I love candy corn. Even the harvest mix where it's got the little pumpkins. Oh my god. And I know that's like, people hate candy corn, but I love it. I don't know why. And I also like those caramel apple lollipops or suckers, whatever you want to call them. There's like an apple flavored sucker with like real caramel on it. It's so good. I never got to try the harvest mix of those, because there's a new kind out. I have never really gotten onto the pumpkin spice train. I like pumpkin spice creamer, like coffee creamer. When I do drink coffee, I'm in the works of getting a coffee maker. I got you plopped up again. I got y'all against one of my cookie jars. But I just got the microwave. It's red to match the apple theme. And Miss Alicia, y'all, just bought me a, because I'm giving her free of charge. I got some jewelry. however the heck you say it, that I don't wear is not from any of my subscribers. It's like something I've had for a while. I was like, hey girl, you got pierced ears? You want some jewelry? You know, I'm just giving it to her. So she offered today to buy me a backdrop. And she has one at her house that's like beach theme. And the one I picked out was like sunflowers. I like flowers. And I want to put it in my living room above my couch. Or my love seat, I should say. But then when I get my room here, that's my second room, fixed up, I'm going to put it in there. That was 2 questions. I'm just kind of rambling. Favorite smells, like holiday smells, I guess. That's all she said was Halloween smells. There is one by Bath and Body Works. My sister gave it to me 2 years ago, and I finished it. But it was like pumpkin spice latte something, I don't know. It was fall related from Bath and Body Works. It was a really good scent. It took me a while to use it, but favorite memories as a child around Halloween. I think that's all. Some of my favorite memories as, you know, a kid growing up was, you know, going trick-or-treat with my grandma. After she passed away, I went to my sister Misty's, Dustin's mom, and we went trick-or-treating with Misty and Dustin and his brothers. And I don't quite remember how old Dustin was. But his 3 brothers are just a year after him. So Dustin's 27, Austin's 26, Matt's 25, and Josh will be 24. Matthew was actually born on my birthday, so that's how I can remember his birthday. Dustin's is 15th of July. I can never remember Austin's. I think it's in May. I believe it's in May. And then Josh, his is December 2nd, the same day as Amy's husband, Michael, my sister Amy. And then I remember their costumes. Dustin was Jar Jar Binks, I think it was. Actually, I don't remember the costumes. One of them was Men in Black. One of them was a Pokemon. I think that was Josh, the baby. I have no idea what the other one was. I can't remember. I remember being a black cat, and I don't even remember what Amy was. Excuse me. But we had fun. My Aunt Addie, she would make homemade popcorn balls. And that's another thing I forgot to mention. Popcorn balls. Oh my god, so good. Actually, this fall, I want to make homemade caramel. I like to make caramel popcorn too. But I'm not supposed to eat the popcorn that much. Unless I get like not Hello Fresh. Smart Pop or something like that. My Aunt Addie would make homemade popcorn balls for us, and we would just eat the heck out of popcorn balls. But she's, no longer living, so that's another story, But I miss it. Okay, what I was gonna say is, I can buy caramel sugar-free at like dollar store, Walmart, whatever. I know Dollar Tree has them. It's Werther's Original Chewy Caramel. And I can just get popcorn. Not popcorn. Good God, I got popcorn in my head. I can get lollipop sticks or something and just jab them into the apples and melt the caramel and just dip the apple in the caramel. And then nuts, we can have chopped nuts. I actually got walnuts in my freezer. My mom gave it to me, and goodness. I know if you put them in the freezer, it'll keep them from going bad. So I have a bag and a half, and then I got a whole bag of ocean spray, dried cranberries. They look like this, and this is the bag. I got one of these in the freezer, and I kept this one in the freezer, and I about that one. Sorry, trading with me. I about dropped one, that's why I like do that. But I've had them for like 4 or 5 days, so I won't eat a whole lot of them because they'll make me poo-poo. I know TMI, but it happens. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. Go finish my How to Train Your Dragons part 2. Part 2. And then part 3. And I'm gonna finish that latch hook. I'm almost done. I'm started it's a rainbow with a heart and a smiley face. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to me, the broken college student, and to Alicia, y'all. I love y'all. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload. And before you go, give me a kiss. Bye, I love you.